If you have rental income and expenses, what type of information do you need to gather to file your taxes? First, we're going to the page or website, and I want you to click the drop-down menu on Services, click Tax Prep Individual, scroll down the page, and click the box 1040 plus Schedule E. Schedule E is a schedule that you would use if you have rent income and expenses. So when you open up this organizer and scroll to the very last page, you will see the Rental Property Tax Organizer. The video is going to focus on showing you how to fill out the Rental Property Tax Organizer. First thing we need to know is the location of your property. If somebody has a rent house, we need to know the address, the type of property. Example, is it single-family home, or is it for commercial use, or is it for land? It's important because each type of property has different method of depreciation. If the property is for personal use, then we'll need to know how many days are utilized for personal use. Date placed in service. That refers to the very first day that your rent house is available to be rented, or it can be the very first day that your rent house is being rented out. Rent received. That refers to actual money you receive from your tenant for the entire year, starting from January 1st to December 31st. Expenses are deductions that are directly related to your rental activities, and those are advertising, cleaning and maintenance, commissions, insurance, legal and professional, management fees, mortgage interest, any other interest, repairs, supplies, taxes, particularly property taxes, utilities, and others. Others could refer to HOA fees or any other related expenses. For example, if you drive to inspect the property, you need to record your mileage log, and you'll be eligible for auto deductions for the distance that you drive to inspect your property every single time. Property information. We do need specific information on how much did you pay for the rental property, the date you purchased it, and cost refers to selling price, and date placed in service is something that we have explained earlier on. The last piece is property sold. A lot of time people rent it out and then decide that they don't want the hassle of having to manage the rental property anymore. So then they decide to sell it. In a particular year where you rent it out for say 6 months, and later on at the end of the year you decide to sell it, then you need to provide a hard statement for us. On the hard statement, we'll be able to determine the date sold. You might also want to provide us information on selling expenses and any related expenses related to the transaction. So that's all. This is a short video. If you have any questions, please reach out. We are here to help. Thank you.